Well, a traditional Christmas dinner for many families means beef is the center of the holiday celebration.
That's right. Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here with a great recipe. Hi, Angie.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Happy holidays.
Yeah,
Happy
to you
holidays.
as well.
It's right around the corner.
It is. But you still have time to prepare this.
You do. And you know what? 70%, a little over 70% of rib roast sales happen right now. Isn't
Really?
that crazy? Between mid-November and like right after New Year's, so a little less than 2 months. So it's very popular, so it's gonna be in the supermarkets, but call ahead. If you got a favorite place where you like to shop, they'll take a little stress off. Call ahead, talk to the meat department personnel, and they can help you out, get it ordered so you can jump in and get it when you're ready. But yeah, this is a boneless ribeye roast.
This is the fancy stuff.
This is prime rib, right?
This is prime rib. So when you go out to eat on Saturday night to your favorite steakhouse, supper club, it's called prime rib. But in the supermarket, this would be labeled a boneless ribeye roast.
Okay.
Or you could get a bone-in rib roast. It's not labeled prime rib.
Okay.
But, and then really all you need to have a successful cooking experience is a pan, a rack, and then an oven-safe meat thermometer. So this is tender, it's the ribeye. So all we're gonna do is cook it. We're not gonna cover it, we're not gonna add any liquid. We do not need to tenderize it.
Wow. Just
need to cook it. 350-degree oven. I like to tell people to set a timer for 20 minutes a pound.
Okay.
So this one's almost 5 pounds, so that'd be hour 40. Quick math. Hour 40 minutes. That's on the light side. Check your thermometer, whatever kind you have, because you don't want to go too far.
Right.
This one here is a nice pink, medium rare. So I probably took it out at 135. Let it rest at least a half an hour.
And you have a crust on this.
Yes, so I have, and all it is dried thyme, dried oregano, and steak seasoning. So like
That's
whatever
what
your
we're smelling.
favorite
It smells
steak
really
seasoning is.
good.
But you can definitely use fresh herbs. If you go to beeftips.com, we have a lot of different rubs, sauces, accompaniments. This one actually has a red wine pan sauce recipe to go with it. They use the drippings out of your pan. And then two, I wanted to show you guys today some short ribs. They're so popular and so trendy right now. And they're a great meal for this time of year. Maybe you're gonna have extended family over the holidays or you need more than one meal. This would be awesome. So I braised them. Now short ribs are a labor of love. I say it takes longer than the ribeye roast. It's gonna take 2 to 3 hours. That real low, slow, moist cooking, but then they just fall off the bone. I'm serving them with some mashed potatoes, but we've got a great recipe. The sauce is actually fresh thyme and port wine based. Can you smell it? It's delicious.
It does smell wonderful.
They're falling apart. So go to beeftips.com for this recipe. It's our beef short ribs with thyme port sauce or gravy. But a really nice, a little more economical beef cut. It does call for 4 pounds. I cut it in half. 4 pounds is a lot of short ribs.
Okay. When you braised it, you mean you just pan-seared it first?
I seared it and then put it in here, and then with all the liquid ingredients, and then put it in the oven like 2 to 2.5 hours.
Okay.
325, 350 degree oven.
Could you slow cook them?
You could. I would sear them first. Take your time, sear them in that hot oil with a little salt and pepper, and then put them in the slow cooker, and they'll be fine. Yeah, they fall apart, and they're so beefy flavor, they're so good.
Whenever I make them, they always fall off the bone completely. Does that mean I'm cooking them too long?
No, I think that's good.
That's good, and then
Is
you
that
just
good?
scoop the bone.
Yeah.
Can you buy them boneless?
Yes.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, you can buy
Okay.
boneless short ribs. You definitely can.
I don't think I've ever seen those in the store.
Sometimes they're called like a country style rib.
Oh, yeah, that's what they're called.
I got you.
Yeah, and I think it would work the same. But the key with that long cooking time is to sear them first. That helps keep them juicy.
Okay, good. Good tip.
So then you shouldn't overcook them if you got that nice sear out of them.
And what is a prime rib costing these days? Is it?
So mine, this was on
gotta get
sale for $12.99, but I've seen in Madison for $9.99 a pound.
Oh, that's good. Good to know. All right.
Beeftips.com, recipes. You still have time to
Yes.
get Christmas dinner ready. Or
Yes. Or New Year's Eve. Or
Absolutely.
tenderloin, we didn't talk about that, but we got those recipes too.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.